Hi everyone, in this small video I'm going to show you how to run Python in Ubuntu. But you don't need to install Python because Python is pre-installed in Ubuntu. First of all, don't forget subscribe, share and like for this video. Alright, let me show you how to run Python. Go to Show Applications bar and go to Terminal and type this command sudo python 3 and from keyboard press enter. As you can see, Python is running now. And these are some information about this distribution, and let me try it out. Don't worry about these commands that I write on Python because we will learn it in future. That's all for this video. See you soon